Prepare for an exhilarating announcement as the 2023 Le Auto Show approaches, bringing exciting news your way. Toyota is set to make a spectacular presence at the event, introducing something completely fresh and innovative. Let's delve into the details. The Le Auto Show on November 14th will be the stage for Toyota to unveil an SUV iteration of the iconic Toyota Crown. Accompanying this revelation is an enticing teaser image, along with our exclusive rendering, providing a sneak peek at the upper section of the rear hatch. It's confirmed, this new SUV is indeed a Toyota Crown. But here's the exciting part. It's a game changer, and there's more to come. Toyota had given us some clues leading up to this major reveal. On October 24th, they offered a glimpse of the SUV's rear, showcasing an HEV8 LED badge. This badge signifies a hybrid powertrain, expected to be akin to the options available for the Crown sedan in the United States. To refresh your memory, the Crown sedan provides two powertrain choices: a 2.5 liters four-cylinder engine or a 2.4 liters turbocharged engine, both coupled with two electric motors. The turbo variant boasts an impressive 340 horsepower, while the 2.5 liters model offers an outstanding electric-only range of 38 miles, showcasing a remarkable combination of power and efficiency. Here's the intriguing part. In the United States, there's only one available Toyota Crown model, but in Japan, there's an entire lineup of Crowns. The SUV set to make its debut at the Le Auto Show is anticipated to be the Crown Estate. However, don't be misled by the name. It's not your typical station wagon. This stylish SUV features sharp lines and a sleek, flat roof, with a touch of station wagon aesthetics, but with added ground clearance. Toyota labels it as an SUV and will adopt that designation going forward. We presume that the vehicle heading to Le is indeed the Crown Estate unveiled in Japan earlier this year. The teaser image reveals lights and a rear hatch remarkably similar to the Gold Estate, though it lacks a rear window wiper. Notably, the Crown Sport, which was recently unveiled, includes the wiper, albeit showcasing a completely different liftgate design. Anticipation is growing, and there's much to anticipate. Could Toyota unveil any unexpected features for the Crown SUV tailored for the United States? Join us on November 14th for the official debut, where together, we'll unravel all the answers to your pressing questions. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share it with friends who share your love for cars. Thanks for tuning in.